Not high enough rank, huh?
Let's see about that.
Seal. Owner. Owner. Amy.
I'm back, everyone.
This Feature Friday, we're making a laser group ranked door.
Super cool.
So our door here has a laser, and if you touch it and you're not the certain rank that you need, you die. I mean, right now it just kind of kills you, I guess. I was gonna have something cooler, like, you know, like a robot picks you up and like throws you off a balcony, but I don't really have time for that. I mean, like, it's hard enough to get these out on Friday. Like, I already missed like 3 weeks in a row before the checkpoint video, you know, like, I'm definitely not recording this Thursday night, and so to electrocute our foes
And the nons and pleons who aren't in our group.
we need a group rank door. Let's bust out our code engine and I'll show you how to make it. But first,
Check out my website, definitely.seal.com.
in the description, I have a link to this asset that you can download right now. And the cool thing is the asset comes with this. This is a rank display that shows the display of your group rank.
Above your character.
Show all the nons and pleons how cool you look with titles such as
Owner. Lead developer. Head of media management, otherwise known as
belongs in the trash!
backside. Wait.
Once you get your hands on that special asset, you'll get this overhead group rank script. Inside, you've got a ranks folder and the element itself. If you want to adjust the color, that's how you do it under this label. Change the font, the color, the base text. Inside the ranks module, you'll have access to set the titles. Group rank number followed by title. 0 is if somebody is not in the group, and that's where you set this here.
Pleon.
Inside the overhead group rank script, you'll want to adjust the group ID value to your Roblox group ID.
You should know how to find that one. And voila!
You now have group ranks for your project. Wait a minute.
Who set this to pleon?
Enough talk. Let's get into making our group rank door. So I've got a plane here with some special fancy rotating decals, and this is our force field. I also have a fancy shock sound effect that will play when we
Electrocute our victims.
So start by slapping a script into your door object, and we're going to start by typing local group ID. This will be our group ID. I've got this set to my group, Seal Programming. If you'd like to join that or check it out, ask questions, do what you want. Link is in the top comment. Set a variable for our door. We need a table called allowed ranks. And this is going to store what ranks are allowed in our area. So you could have it to where only VIPs, scripters, developers are allowed, anybody that's simply not in your group, whatever. let's write a onTouch function.
You know how we feel about those.
And because we're using touch detection, we'll need to have a debounce too. Debounce equals false. First, we're going to check if they have a humanoid inside of this part. Humanoid. If they don't have a humanoid, or debounce is true, then return. Set debounce to true, and we'll write a delay to turn off our debounce after 0.1 seconds. We have a debounce here because when you touch a part, your character, it's going to automatically fire this event multiple times. The debounce makes sure that this really only fires once per player touch within a reasonable amount of time. Variable for our player. Our parts parent, now we have a player. So if they are inside allowed ranks, we're not going to kill them. So if table.find allowed ranks, player get rank in group, and we'll put our group ID just like this. If their rank is inside this table, then this statement becomes true and our if statement passes. If it passes, then return.
Otherwise, we'll harm them.
We're gonna write a function called killPlayer.
We'll murder our parts parent.
Let's write that function. killPlayer, and we're passing in our character. We need to get our humanoid again because we're lame. If the humanoid is missing, then we return. The reason why we're checking this again is because if someone dies as they're in the middle of being executed by the door, it's going to break the script because their humanoid immediately goes away when their character dies. We've got the humanoid.
Now we murder them.
Set the health to 0, kills the player. Player shock sound. So now we get zappies. And lastly, we set our touch connection at the bottom of the script, and we're golden. Let's play here to test and see if this works. I'm currently not inside the folder, so we should be murdered. Let's add myself to the table so that I can be spared. 254 is the rank that I am in my current group.
And so, it shall be allowed. And now we're spared.
Now we can stare at the peons outside. Wait a minute. Here's the test with me and my current rank in the group.
Now we've become a nun. Now only you and your friends can survive the big bad door. Keep the nuns out and the Vips in.
If you want this asset yourself, check out the link in the top comment for the downloadable file, which comes with this funky looking room, the door, the script for the door, and this cool group tag. These tags are fully customizable and you can adjust whatever ranks you want in your group and have them for all your players. If you want nons to have no tags, set the base tag to nothing. Let me erase the group ID so I'll be a non, and now we have no tag. Like, subscribe,
do all that stuff. Do what you're told. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. Love ya. Thanks for checking out my video. I hope you watch another one. Like and subscribe.